Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to set up and use the ADXVMA indicator for MT4. Alright, so we're just going to drag and drop it to our chart, ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. Now for the inputs, this is the only customizable settings that we have available. So if you want to modify the VMA length, you can do that. If you want a more sensitive indicator, you can decide to reduce this value maybe to 3, 4, or 1 if you wish, right? But if you want a less sensitive indicator, you can take the value up, maybe 10, maybe 20, 30, depending on how slow you want the indicator to react to price changes. Okay, now this is how the indicator looks like. It's a dynamic tool that is built to sharpen your trend direction and filter out market noise. So you can see that the indicator is very straightforward. It's a trend indicator, right? So it shows you the direction of the prevailing trend. Basically, when price is trading above the indicator line, it shows that it's a bullish trend. And when price is trading below the indicator line, it shows that it's a bearish trend. Okay. Now, in addition to that, the indicator also have this feature whereby it changes color depending on the prevailing momentum, right? So even within a bullish trend, when the prevailing momentum is bullish, you're going to notice that the line will be green in color. But then when you have a reduction in momentum, right, maybe doing a pullback or something similar, you will notice that the color will change to blue, right? So the blue color signals a neutral prevailing momentum, right? But the green color signals a bullish prevailing momentum, and then the orange color signals a bearish prevailing momentum. Okay, so I'm gonna recommend using this indicator in a trending market. When the market is trending, you want to look out for the indicator color being orange in a bearish trend, and you look for sell opportunities. But then if it is a bullish trend, you want to look for the indicator to be green in color, and then you look for buy opportunities. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward indicator that you can consider using right away. All right, the link to download the indicator is right there in the description. Okay, the link to download the indicator is right there in the description. You can just go follow the link, and then it's gonna take you to this web page. Just click on this to download the indicator, and you proceed to adding it to your chart. Okay, very straightforward. All right, now if you want to gain more valuable insights on forex indicators or trading strategies and all of that, click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on valuable tips and strategies like this. Cheers, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.